Hello and welcome. In this video, we will be covering the basics of HTML search engine optimization. These are the techniques used to optimize your HTML documents. By following these practices, you can significantly improve your website's visibility in search engine results. Let's dive in and explore how to make your HTML SEO friendly. So, what exactly is search engine optimization or SEO? Search engine optimization is the practice of optimizing web content to increase visibility in search engine results. Essentially, it involves making your website more appealing to search engines like Google, so that it ranks higher in search results. A good HTML structure forms the foundation of effective search engine optimization strategy. There are many factors, including on-page factors, technical SEO, content quality, and user experience. Title tags are arguably the most important search engine optimization element you can use. These tags tell search engines what your page is about. They are displayed on the search engine results page as the clickable headline for a given result and are crucial for both search engine rankings and user experience. Here are some best practices for title tags. First, keep titles under 60 characters to ensure they display properly in search results. Include your primary keyword near the beginning of the title. Make sure each title is unique across your website to avoid confusion, and make them descriptive and compelling to encourage clicks. In the example code, we have a well-crafted title tag within the head section of an HTML document. Notice how it includes the primary keyword HTML SEO and provides a brief, engaging description. Heading tags, ranging from H1 to H6, are used to define the structure and hierarchy of your content. Search engines use these tags to understand the main topics and subtopics on your page. It is best to use only one H1 tag per page. Include keywords naturally within your headings. Maintain a proper hierarchy starting with H1 for the main topic and descending to H2, H3, and so on, for subtopics, and keep headings descriptive to help both users and search engines understand the content. In the heading example, we have H1 as the main page topic, H2 as major section, and H3 as a subsection. Image optimization is a crucial aspect of search engine optimization. Optimized images not only improve page loading speed, but also provide additional opportunities to rank in image searches. When optimizing images, use descriptive file names that include relevant keywords. Add alt text to all images to provide context for search engines and improve accessibility. Optimize image file size to reduce loading times, and use responsive images to ensure they look good on all devices. In the example, alt text is given for the image for better understanding. Semantic HTML involves using HTML elements to convey the meaning and structure of your content. This helps search engines better understand your pages, leading to improved rankings. Semantic HTML improves accessibility, enhances content structure, and is better for featured snippets. Some of the semantic elements are header, nav, main, article, section, aside, footer, and time. By using semantic elements, you provide clear signals to search engines about the purpose and context of different parts of your page. A well-structured uniform resource locator, or URL, is essential for both user experience and search engine optimization. SEO-friendly URLs are kept short and descriptive. Include relevant keywords, use hyphens to separate words, and avoid special characters. Now let us talk about canonical tags. Canonical tags tell search engines which version of a page is the preferred one to index when multiple URLs have similar content. Place this in the head section of your HTML document. Schema markup is a semantic vocabulary that you add to your HTML to help search engines understand the context of your content and display rich results. By adding schema markup to your HTML, you provide search engines with detailed information about your content, which can lead to enhanced search results, better click-through rates, and improved relevance signals. There are several schema types like article, product, FAQ, event, recipe, and review. The code box shows a schema markup for article type in JSON format. To summarize, let's review a quick search engine optimization checklist to ensure you are on track. For on-page search engine optimization, optimize title tags with keywords, write compelling meta descriptions, use proper heading hierarchy, optimize image alt text and file names, and implement schema markup for rich results. For technical search engine optimization, use semantic HTML elements, create search engine optimization-friendly URLs, set canonical tags for duplicate content, ensure mobile responsiveness and optimize page loading speed. Some helpful resources are Google Search Console, schema.org, PageSpeed Insights, and Mobile-Friendly Test. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.